okay, man? Holy f***, are you alright?
We are good, bud.
Bro, man!
I saw it. I took the turn. I'm like, I'm not turning, bro. I'm like, there's a ditch here, there's water. We're good. We're good. I hope you got that on camera.
Oh man, I like looked away, I saw you going, but I got it on camera. I'm pretty sure I got that. Oh, oh. Yo, you okay, man?
Yeah.
Holy I'm just happy you're okay, man.
Oh,
Jesus
man.
Christ.
That was sick, but let's figure out how we're getting the bike out.
Yo, it's because you're all the way in like who knows what gear.
Oh, I was pinning it, bud.
I was wondering if you were going to slow down or not when we got to that corner and I saw you keep going.
I forgot how curved it is. I'm like, alright, I'm going again.
Let's see if I can get this out for you.
Let's get in here.
Let's back it up, pull it back. Alright, now let's go forward.
I just created one. Step into it, but
honestly, man, I'm just happy that you're not f***ing hurt. Like that was
eh?
That was crazy. Yeah.
Well, I'm muddy. That's fine. Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.